Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, volume button not working, reverse function keys and multimedia keys F1 to F12. First method is use function and volume keys. Second method is click Start, Settings, click Recovery. Click Restart now. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options. Click UEFI Firmware Settings. Open Configuration, Hotkey Mode, change to Enabled, press F10 key to save and exit BIOS setup. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.